Hello guys, my name is Ayush and this video is made for a physics assignment with the topic laser based radar. So what is laser based radar or commonly known as LiDAR? LiDAR stands for laser detection and ranging. This system uses light to determine the distance to an object since the speed of light is well known. Radar can use a short pulsed laser to illuminate a target and then time how long it takes the light to return. Now let's talk about the history of LiDAR. In the 1970s, laser-based remote sensing began with effort by NASA that focused on the airborne prototypes of subsequent space-borne sensor deployment. In the mid-1980s, the lack of reliable commercial global positioning system or inertial measurement units such as GPS and IMU solutions for sensor positioning presented bottlenecks for further development. By the mid-1990s, manufacturers of laser scanners were delivering LiDAR sensors that were capable of 2000 to 25,000 pulses per second to customers who intended to use them for topographic mapping applications. Now, let's talk about the type of LiDAR. There are three types of LiDAR. First, 3D direct detection active technology. Second, 3D flash imaging LiDAR. And third, flying spot systems. So, the first is 3D direct detection active technologies. Scan laser radar technologies work by a laser that generates an optical signal pulse. This pulse is created such that it has low delivery gens. Then a scanner directs the pulse toward the targeted area and some of the incident light will be reflected. This light is collected optically into a photosensitive component. By way of photosensitive component, the optical signal will turn into an electrical signal. Next, this signal is analyzed and filtered, and the round trip time it took to hit the target and come back can be found. Finally, with the round trip time and the speed of light, the distance from sensor to object can be calculated. For a more complete picture of larger area, the system will hit more targets and repeat the calculation. Next is flying spot system. Flying spot scan system are one type of scanning 3D radar technology. Their main purpose is for commercial airborne and ground-based topographic mapping. Most of the system use just one photosensitive component to receive signals. That is because multiple detector systems are expensive. They are not suitable for military usage because this technology requires several passes over the area and typically need to be close to the target or ground. However, stealth is important military, so other more efficient instruments are used, such as 3D flash imaging LiDAR. The flash imaging method works by flooding the target area with light, and the reflected or backscattered light is collected by the receiver. The received signal is projected into a 2D array. Next, the 2D map must be calculated into a 3D map. Now, a very similar process to the scanning 3D radar system occurs. To calculate the topographical map factor, such as location and orientation of the sensor must be known. Finally, 3D map is born out of each calculated range. Thanks. Thank you for your attention. That's all for this video.